The Dongcheng Rotary Hammers is an essential power tool for contractors, offering efficiency and precision in drilling and chiseling tasks. This video will serve as a valuable resource, providing insights into the use and applications of Dongcheng power tools. By empowering contractors with in-depth knowledge, here are some benefits of Dongcheng Rotary Hammer. Faster drilling. These hammers drill precise holes in concrete and masonry with remarkable speed. Streamlined workflows. The robust design and powerful performance of Dongcheng Rotary Hammers allow contractors to tackle demanding drilling and chiseling tasks with ease. Applications and uses of Dongcheng Rotary Hammer. Drilling capabilities in concrete and masonry. Dongcheng Rotary Hammers excel in drilling precise and clean holes in challenging materials such as concrete and masonry. Chiseling functions for demolition work. When it comes to demolition tasks, Dongcheng Rotary Hammers shine. Their chiseling functions allow contractors to break through stubborn materials, remove tiles, and chip away at surfaces. Versatility in various construction tasks. One of the standout features of Dongcheng Rotary Hammers is their versatility, allowing contractors to perform a wide range of construction tasks with a single tool. With the help of this video, contractors will understand that Dongcheng Rotary Hammers offers a blend of power, precision, and reliability that enhances efficiency and productivity on the job site. If you are seeing this video for the first time, please click on the subscribe button for more video notifications. For more questions or inquiries, feel free to visit us at z-supplies.com or contact us on sales@z-supplies.com. And don't forget to follow us on our social media handles on Instagram, GZ Industrial Supplies, and Facebook, GZ Industrial Supplies Nigeria.